Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video, we are going to learn about hexadecimal notation short form. In the previous video, we have learned what is hexadecimal notation or representing color in CSS. For your benefit, I would like to revise that topic again. If you don't watch that episode, you can refer in a playlist. So, what is the hexadecimal color notation? It is having some digits and letters combination. So like this. So for digits are like 0 to 9 and letters A to F. So here hexadecimal color notation syntax is it will starts with hash and R R G G B B. R means red, G means green, B means blue. So for example, asterisk FF0000 means like it will represent red color. So if the F is in the middle, that will in the green position, it will uh, it will reflect green color, and if it is in the last one, F in the last digits, like it will represent blue color. So all are like all in 6 hexadecimal means 6 places, so generally it will represent 6. So if in all 6 places F is there means they will get white color. So if all are having zeros, so it will represent black color. So if you want to get shades of gray, then you can write like three equal values. So like you equal values in all three places, like this. It will get gray color shade. So this is what we discussed in the last video. So in this video, I would like to introduce hexadecimal form. Hexadecimal form in short, which is nothing but very easy. So we have seen hexadecimal places. How many places will be there in hexadecimal notation of color notation? So here 6 places, but we can write into 3 places. We can reduce this form into 3 places like this. So if we having two equal values, we can, just a minute, if we having 6 equal, like 2 equal places, we can reduce into 1. Suppose here we have 2 e's, so we have 2 e's, so it will came, we can write as 1 e. So if it is having 2 fours, we can write as 1 4. If we having 2 zeros, we can write as single 0. So if we having like that we can reduce these 6 digits into 3 digits. It is nothing but hexadecimal short form. So now we will go to real-time example. So here we have written in the previous example, we have written in 6 places. We have denoted with black, white, gray, red, green, blue color headings. Just I will run now. After that we can write a short form of hexadecimal. So this is the code we have written before for hexadecimal notation. Now we will reduce that into short form of hexadecimal. Just I run this application so that you can see the output. So here is the output. We'll be having black color, white color, 2 grays, red, green, blue color. So the same output can be achieved by using the short form of hexadecimal. So what we are doing, just we will reduce the code. Suppose if we having two equal values, 6 zeros, like 2 0 in the place of 2 zeros, I am giving only 1 0. So 2 1 0 1 0 1 0. So 6 is reduced into 3. So it is again, we can see here black color is reflecting by the IntelliSense. So here 2 f's can be replaced by single f. Then 6 f's will be like, I will reduce into just 3 f's is sufficient. So again the color will not change, the same white color is came into existence. So again here two f's can be reduced to one f, and here two zeros can be reduced to 1 0, and here two zeros can be reduced into 1 0. So I see here IntelliSense is showing the same red color, and here two zeros I will reduce to 1 0, two f's can I will reduce to 1 f, and here two zeros I will reduce to 1 0. This is having, see, IntelliSense is showing green color, and here two zeros I will reduce to 1, and here two zeros to 1, and here two f's to 1 f. So here blue color is same, blue color is reflecting. I will save this code, and again I will run. We will expect the same output because the code is reduced, but output will be same. So this is how we achieve we can write a short form of hexadecimal in CSS. Thank you for watching. We'll come with another video in the next tutorial, so please stay tuned in .NET Tutor for learning more technologies. Thank you so much.